4, 3, 2, 1. Rolling. Okay, Will's going to be making his first frozen ornaments, and so in the 3D style. So just go ahead, Will.
All right, I will. Sure thing. So I'm gonna be making Splatter Method style one with this circular white frozen ornament.
Okay.
I'm gonna be using dark blue.
Is this going to be 3D?
No.
Oh, okay. The Splatter Method. Okay.
Let me get this. There we go. Do. Oh, there we go.
Looking good?
Yeah. Actually, I might go back on what I said. I might actually make this 3D. Because I'm kind of liking how it looks already.
It's your ornament, so you just use everything you know.
Maybe I'll get one more coat and see how it looks.
Okay.
Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I think I'm just going to keep it a simple 3D ornament instead.
Okay.
So I'm changing my mind. This is a 3D ornament. Alright. Now, we're going to do something a little special. You know, it already looks nice as a frozen 3D ornament. The frozen effect looks nice. But we're going to be adding some light blue glitter to it because we think that will enhance the effect.
Alright, so let's see what happens.
Alright.
How much glitter do you use?
Oh, it's not highly important that you know the exact amount. Maybe like 3 teaspoons or something like that.
Okay.
That's my rough estimate. Just get a feel for it. It's really. You can always put in more ink. More glitter. So.
Okay.
No pressure or anything. This method's very easy, just like all of our other methods.
Yeah. So these have already been prepared with the indigo, with the alcohol ink from the night before.
I think I'm gonna put in more glitter actually.
They might be able to hear it's storming outside.
Yeah, very Christmas-like.
Yeah, but we're in Florida, so we don't get any snow here.
Yeah, no snow. Just rain. Oh my. Now that looks like Christmas.
Oh yeah.
The glitter just blends in with the frozen look.
Oh, but you can see through the little open spots in the ornament.
Yeah, you can see it. The back has like a lot of glitter.
Nice. Oh, it's really beautiful.
Yeah.